Welcome back, everybody. Today we have something really fun in store. I'm super excited for this. My buddy Jordan recently got an E36. He picked it up for super cheap and he finally got it running really good. And we're wanting to go out to our gravel spot and do some really close tandems, if you will. We're gonna try to put it in each other's door. I'm hoping it doesn't go bad. If it does, oh well. If it does, they're cheap cars anyways, but we love them, so we're trying to keep them alive as long as possible. Currently on the way to the shop to prep the E36 a little bit, which means just making sure it has oil, and that's about it. Alrighty, we've made it out to the gravel drifting spot. Now I think I'm gonna go ahead and lead first. If you've never seen us do gravel drifting, pretty much the line is go ahead, hang it out a little bit, manji back and around this little fence area between these two trees. It's pretty wide out here, so plenty of room to tandem and hang it back around here. Manji back and keep kind of going. It's kind of like a complicated little figure eight. The car's doing really good. Jordan is doing okay. He has a misfire every once in a while, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and lead first. Jordan's still new to his car. He's never drifted there before. So I'm gonna go ahead and lead first, go see how it goes, and hopefully we don't get kicked out of this little spot. We're out in the middle of nowhere. Like, there's literally nothing out here. Just a little parking lot. I'm gonna lead and then we'll switch. We're gonna try to get pretty close. I'm gonna set up the GoPro on the front of my windshield. That way we can get some cool shots.
He was getting it. He got so, like, he legit was like a foot away from me.
I know, I saw it. I was kind of nervous. He went so far. Made it back to this shop. Cars are absolutely filthy. Looks cleaner on camera than it does in person. Here's a red one out here. I think it looks kind of sick. All the mud on the front from getting thrown up. Only time we got gravel just thrown on our windshields whenever we first started, but once we were in drift, we were okay. That was a lot of fun. Now Jordan has some fresh headlights he wants to install on this thing. He lost one of his grills. I'll have an extra set, so maybe you can check them in. New headlights will make this thing look a lot better. Okay. All right, if you're wanting to do this to your E36, I'm gonna kind of show you how to do it real fast. Whoa! It's a pretty simple little mod. Looks really good once it's done. 3 bolts here, 1, 2, 3, and I believe there's one down in here. And the corner and the headlight comes out as one, and then the corner pops off from the back of the headlight as well. Is it loose? Nice.
That mess.
Simple. Old junky ones are out. Time to get the fresh eBays. These are, what are they, about 90 bucks off eBay? Worth every penny. Makes the car look brand new. Oh baby.
Oh baby. Is that one in?
Pretty much. Yep. We're on. Grills look nice. They'll look better when you clean the rest of the car.
Yeah, that's what
It's kind of funny now because they're brand new headlights and just dirt everywhere.
I figured that happened.
Yeah, 90 bucks for new looking headlights. Look pretty good. His front end's a little bit pushed in the grills, so the hood overlays, but these grills snapped in decently well. I had those laying around, those are kind of broken, but those are like 20 bucks on eBay. I love how cheap parts are for the E36's. Alrighty guys, that is gonna do it for this video. We had a lot of fun doing some gravel drifting and an install on Jordan's E36. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure to stay up to date on all the E36 content we have going on the channel. Thanks for watching guys. Catch you guys in the next one.